Welcome to Josh's Green Garage. So on this video, I want to just take a moment and explain some things that I have out there that I don't think too many people know about. So on my Ripper conversion video, if you stuck around to the very end, you would have saw it. But other than that, I didn't really make any kind of big deal about it. But I want to make sure everybody knows in case they're interested. So if you have seen this Ripper build and like it and want to build something like this but don't even know where to get started, or if you've seen my video of building this weight bracket for the front of a 200 series and you really like it, well, you're in luck. I have here instructions that I put together in order to build both of them. So I have these for sale on my eBay page. It'll be linked below, and it's the same channel's name. But essentially, these are nice instructions all put together. There's all the dimensions and everything you need. Everything as far as materials in here. Let's see if I can show you. We got it color coded, everything like that. Same with the Ripper, same thing. All your dimensions and everything you need. Color coordinated, materials list, just everything. There's finished pictures, of course, for reference, everything like that. And I have these for sale. So you're not getting just a digital copy or anything like that. You're actually getting something, something material that you can have in your hand as you're building it. These aren't printed on cheap paper either. I put them on like cardstock, so it's pretty heavy, so you don't need to worry about ripping a page or anything crazy like that. Like, it's going to be durable while you do your build. So I also have a few other things on there. So there is a lot of stickers that I made that you may have seen. I made I think at least a video that's more specific to those. But I do have diesel stickers. I have V-twin stickers that'll fit pretty much any kind of mower, that's not one of the diesel ones. Anything above one of your like very low end 100 series mowers that's just a single cylinder engine, or obviously older stuff. But if you have a 300 series, 500 series, the current type, those V-twin stickers help give a little, I guess, dress up, I don't know what you'd call it, a little extra appeal. So that's something you can do. And also I did on some Facebook pages get some pretty good feedback on this weight bracket, and some people were wanting them and really like the idea of it. So what I think I'm going to do is, in addition to being selling instructions for this, I might actually start building some of these and selling them there again on the eBay page. So what I started now is a Facebook page for this channel, and you can go on there if you're interested, follow that page, and then whenever I get these built, I'll put a notification on there that it's listed on eBay. So I don't want to get into a situation where I'm taking orders, because I wouldn't be able to keep up with them if it started getting out of hand, because it takes me some time. This isn't my only job or anything. So they take me time to build, and I wouldn't want to ever get into that kind of situation where I'm holding people up, because who knows, if I got 2 or 3 orders even, it would be probably a fairly long wait. So I figured if I do it that way, people would be able to get these. They're just going to have to look. It'd be more of a first come, first serve, and that's that. So check that out if you're interested. Other than that, that's all I got. Appreciate you watching. Have a good one.